you that we are going to have spell bee, mental maths and GK competition. It's not a test, right? It's a competition. One round we have already taken. This is second round. In second round, if we have tie, then we will take third round. Otherwise, we'll have second round only. If we get number of children properly, then we'll not have more round. But if we have tie, then we have to take the third round. So first of all, for that we need to wanted to practice you, because we are going to have only half an hour. It is 25 questions, 2 marks each, and you will get only 35 minutes to complete. But see, till now what we are doing, because it is unit test, we are giving more time. But it's a competition, we are not going to more time, means duration of time is half an hour, but we will not give like 8 to 9 or 9 to 10 or something. Hitash, yeah, good morning. Now let me say.
Good morning,
ma'am. Okay. Okay. So, like I told you that all the tests will be from 8:30 to 9. Right, in the morning. Within this, that is why I'm giving you practice for the practice test. If you start practice test during this time, so you'll be knowing that, I mean, during that spell bee, maintenance and GK, these 3 competitions will have the same time, so you will not have any problem. That is why I'm starting practice test. I'm giving you limited time, because practice test is only for 10 minutes. But this spell bee, mental maths and GK will have 30 minutes, and only 30 minutes you will get, not more than that. So as soon as exam starts, you start taking the test. Children has to start taking the test, and within half an hour it will be over. If you start late, then it is your problem, right? Because it's a competition, I cannot give you more time. If it is test, we consider for some problems, but we cannot give you more time. So that is why for the practice test, I'm starting from tomorrow, from Monday onwards, 8:30 to 9. So there we have 10 minutes test only, and you will get, if you start from 8:40, you will get 10 minutes, 8:40 to 8:50. But in that you will not get more time. So that is why I'm just wanted to practice along with you also, children, so they don't have face any problem during the competition test. So that is very, very important thing. Second thing, practice test will start from 25th January, that is from Monday, and 8:30 to 9. Now for GK, spell bee and mental maths round 2 competition will be 25 questions and 2 marks each. We have already taken first attempt, that is of 25 questions and 50 marks each. That I think most of you have see the answers, marks. That is with us. And next also we are going to have it, and it is only 1 trial, there is no 2 trials. So you have to take the test like that, okay? And we have 30 minutes only. Now, especially because see, fill in the blanks we have introduced started from the practice test and the unit test also, and you must have faced few problems, because I'm just giving you example. Warm was the answer was warm, and madam has already written A before the blank, and then also a child has written a worm, right? A and WORM, and then it became wrong, because A is already written. You are not supposed to write A, right? So this is very silly mistake. I understand we are losing the marks, but in the competition, that is why I'm just taking this meeting with you, so you will come to know what are you supposed to do. So in spell bee, when we have fill in the blanks, say A dash dash LE, example apple, right? A dash dash LE. So you have to write P and P, but write P comma P. No space before, after, between, no space. Just write P comma P. A child has to write P comma P. I've already given you example, but then also I'm just informing you again that you do not have to keep any space. Do not write any other letters. Do not write apple. Just write P comma P. Whatever the dash is being given, the same dash you have to just write down, right? Like knowledge, even more. Okay, brush. Now, if I have written B, then dash, U, dash, and H. So you have to write R and S, right? So you just do not write BRUSH. Just write R dash S. It's okay. We know we have given the answer in this way. So if you will write in another way, then your answer will be wrong. So make sure a child has to write properly, like BRUSH. So R and S is missing. So R, comma S, right? Okay. In jumble words, in the spell bee, we have missing letters, jumble word, and check the correct spelling, right? So check the correct spelling will come in MCQs. But in jumble word, it will be like apple. So if I have written PLEPA, right? A child has to write apple, APPLE properly. Got it, everyone? If you say, got it, then you please show me your thumbs. I can come to know. Okay. Thank you. So this is the main this thing. Now, for mental mess. Now I'll come with for the mental mess. Mental mess, they will have to write only numbers, right? If any numbers has been asked you to write number, except number name. If child has to write number name 234, so 2 space 100 space 34, right? Please make sure you write in this way. I already given an example, so please write 2 days 100 days 30 dash 4, right? Dash should be there because we have given answer in such way, so you also have to write the answer keeping the dash in your mind. 2 dash 100 dash 30 dash 4. After each word, give one space and write, right? Then like ascending or descending order. So if the madam has asked ascending order or descending order, so 90, 92, 93, whatever, then you have to put comma between two letters, two numbers, like 93, 95. Right, 105, 213, like that. Okay. Now, that's it for form 2. This for fraction is for form 3. Now we are going to have practice test for the same way what I have told you. The same practice test, 5 marks test, 5 questions, 5 marks test. We are going to have on 29th and 1st. Right, 29th January and 1st February. So you please keep this test. Spell bee, mathematics and GK will be between 3 to 3:30. So 3 o'clock it will start. You can take any test. All the 3 tests will be available in your ERP at the same time. So you can take the test, all the 3 tests together between 3 to 3:30. First, you take only 5 questions. It is only for the practice. So a child cannot make any mistake during the tests, competitions, right? Now, one more thing. This is my thing. If you have any questions, you can ask me, parents, because then again I have a meeting.
Ma'am, what about the syllabus of spell bee?
It's already given, madam. Long back we have given chapters. We have given 3 chapters, madam. 1 is for science, 1 is for English, 2 for English. Right? That's already given.
Ma'am, can you please reshare that?
What, madam? What, Hita?
Spelling bee syllabus.
What all is coming?
Already there. I'm going to share it again. Okay? No problem. I'll share it again. Okay.
Ma'am, these all tests, all students have to give compulsory.
Yes, it is. Why it is compulsory? Because of child is becoming in 1, 2, 3 position, they will get certificate. It is not compulsory at all. My side, it is nothing. Is
okay.
Only this test, unit test, and terminal exams is compulsory.
But
competition, madam.
Okay, ma'am. You said that all the tests are together at the same time, between 3 to 3:30.
Right.
તો એટલી વારમાં ત્રણેય અપાઈ જશે સ્ટુડન્ટ ને?
મેડમ 5 જ માર્ક્સ ની, that is only practice I'm talking about. પ્રેક્ટિસ
Okay.
છે 5 જ માર્કની છે, 5 જ ક્વેશ્ચન હશે. સ્પેલ બી ના 5 ક્વેશ્ચન,
Okay.
મેથ્સ ના 5 ક્વેશ્ચન અને જીકે ના 5 ક્વેશ્ચન્સ. Only
Yes.
15 questions, okay? Between 3 to 3.
Okay.
Ma'am, what will be the date
Okay.
you said?
I didn't get you, madam. Rian's
Ma'am,
parent.
date for this practice test.
It is written, already written, son. Who's this? Shashwat's
Shashwat
mother.
Mama.
Madam,
Yeah.
everything is written, ma'am.
Okay.
Just go through this circular. I have sent you the circular, right?
No,
We
ma'am,
did
not that
everything.
date. Practice test date. That I know. Practice.
Practice test also written, madam. Please read number 5. Point number 5. There will be 2 practice tests for 12B management and GK on the 29th and 1st February respectively. First test
Okay.
will be on 29th, second test will be on 1st February. So 2
Okay.
tests we are going to take. So when child gets take the test, real test, actual competition, at that time they don't face any problem. So you also come to know how to give the answer, how to take the test.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, any other questions, madams?
Madam, I have one question. You said that there would be a practice test starting from Monday, right? From 8:30 to 9 a.m.
Right.
So,
Correct, Priyanshi? Yes, I'm yeah. Wait, let one parent finish, please. Yes, ma'am.
મેડમ આ સ્પેલિંગ બી ની એની એક્ઝામ છે હમણાં એના વિશે તમે કીધું ને કે 5 ક્વેશ્ચન હશે એમ.
હાજી,
હા એટલે એ કેટલી મિનિટની હશે?
5 મિનિટની.
આખો દી તો નહીં રહે ને તો ઈ?
નહીં મેડમ, આ કોમ્પિટિશન છે એટલે આખો દિવસ નહીં રહે. હું છે ને મેં જેટલું બોલી છે હું પાછું તમને આ રેકોર્ડિંગ એવું હશે તો શેર કરીશ. બીજા ક્વેશ્ચન કંઈક બીજો પ્રોબ્લેમ હોય તો પ્લીઝ તમે પૂછો કે આમાં બધું જ લખેલું છે. Everything is written here. Everything I mentioned, madam.
ઓકે ઓકે.
Excuse me, ma'am. An aptitude test will be conducted or not?
No,
Regarding the
madam, this practice test will be now. Okay, listen. Practice test will be of all the subjects. That will be continue. That will be continue from between 10 to 2, whatever we are giving the times. There is no problem in that. Sorry, now onwards we have practice test of English, Maths, whatever the subjects we are taking will be at 8:30 to 9 in the morning. Like Monday.
Practice test and aptitude test બે હાથે સાથે.
એક મિનિટ મને પેલા બોલી લેવા દો. પ્રેક્ટિસ ટેસ્ટ છે મંડે ઇંગ્લિશ, ટ્યુસડે હિન્દી, whatever, I don't know the subjects, but whatever the test we are taking, it will be continue between 8:30 to 9. There is no change in that. Okay, ઈ જે ટાઈમ પેલા મેં 10 to 2 નો આપ્યો હતો એની બદલે હાફ એન અવર કરી નાખ્યો છે. એટલે ચાઇલ્ડ ને એટલું આઈડિયા રહે કે મારે આટલા માર્ક દેવાનું છે. I am just practicing for the competitions. Parents, please understand. This is for the competition, right? But the actual test spell-bee ની હશે ઈ 3 to 3:30, 3 to 3:30 હાફ એન અવર ની જ રહેશે, આફ્ટરનૂન ના રહેશે. એટલે તમને આઈડિયા આવી જાય કે મારે પ્રેક્ટિસ આટલા વાગ્યામાં દેવાની છે, એટલા માટે હું તમને ટ્રેન કરું છું, nothing else. Okay?
મેમ
And madam, what about the other?
Yes.
What about the other classes?
Other classes will continue. There is no change, sir. See, હું તમને
Thanks a
ફરી
lot, ma'am.
કરું છું. 8 to 8:30. If you say I don't mind 3 to 3:30 also. If you say, see, this is parents' concern. I don't mind કે હું પ્રેક્ટિસ હવે ખાલી 3 થી 3:30 લો instead of morning. તમે અગર 3 થી 3:30 કહો મને વાંધો નથી, પણ મારે રોજે રોજ મિસ ન થાય એટલા માટે 8:30 to 9 હું બધા સબ્જેક્ટ્સ ની જે રોજ ટેસ્ટ લઉં છું, મંડે ઇંગ્લિશ, ટ્યુસડે હિન્દી, વેનસડે સાયન્સ, whatever the subjects I am taking, it will be continue between 8:30 to 9. ખાલી half an hour તમને મળશે. પહેલા તમને 10 થી 2 you are getting 10 to 2, but now you will get only half an hour to complete this. So you will have a practice for the competitions. That is why I am doing it. Okay? And practice.
Okay, ma'am. Thanks a lot.
Okay, and competitions will be at 3 to 3:30. J spell-bee, mental maths and GK 4th February. I mean, J test 4, 6 and 8. It will be between 3 to 3:30. એટલે બાકી બધું જ કન્ટિન્યુ રહેશે, ભણાવવાનું કન્ટિન્યુ રહેશે, બધું જ કન્ટિન્યુ રહેશે. એને ને આને કશું જ લાગતું ઓળખતું નથી. લાઈક wise, you know that we have taken recitations, competitions, music competitions, everything in the afternoon. So no schedule will be changed for anything. This is competition, right? हाँ मैम.
મેમ આ ટેસ્ટ છે એ આપણે લાઈવ હશે?
નથી સમજાતું. હેતના પેરેન્ટ બોલો છો ને સમજાતું, દ્રિગાના પેરેન્ટ બોલો છો, બધા બહુ સાથે બોલો છો. એકાદ બે એક એક બોલો તો મને મજા આવશે. નથી સંભળાતું.
મેમ આ ટેસ્ટ આપણે દેવાની છે એ આપણે લાઈવ આપવાની છે કે એમના ઓનલાઈન જ?
ઓનલાઈન જ, બધું ઓનલાઈન છે. સ્કૂલમાં તમને બોલાવવાના જ નથી. અત્યાર સુધી જેમ ટેસ્ટ એમ જ છે. Okay, parent who does not have any question can leave. So whoever is having problem, I can listen to them properly. Thank you, parents. If you wish, let me
Bye.
Thanks a lot, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Yes. Students, if you are parents, if students are taking 3 days consecutively, 3 days leave, please send me leave application to why your child is not attending or interactive classes, online classes in the morning, please. Okay. Okay, you can leave the meeting. Who is having questions?
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
you,
you.
ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am. Yes. Ma'am, ધ્યાના parent, 1-2 મિનિટ બધાને જવા દો, પછી તમને ક્વેશ્ચન હોય તો પૂછો. Let them go because I cannot hear everyone together.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Kruth. Thank you. Thank you, Chatakshi.
થેન્ક યુ મેમ.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Yes, thank you. Yes, thank you. Hirna parent, please પૂછો.
Yes, ma'am, same thing that if we can schedule the practice test for evening instead of 8:30 to 9, since we are working parents, so we don't have the problem.
Okay.
That was the only question.
Okay, let me see if all parents agree. Parents, are you agree? Miss, are you okay with 8:30 to 9?
No, madam, it would be better if we keep in the
Afternoon is
afternoon.
better, ma'am. Afternoon.
Afternoon
Yes,
would be better.
Okay, no problem. Let me, because this test will be for from 1 to 3 all, right? So I will take the concern of all the parents and I'll give you the next different timings for you. Okay.
Yes,
By what time you let us know, madam? कब तक finalize करेंगे ये time final?
Madam, let me finish with all from 1, 2 and 3 and then I'll let you know by 11 o'clock. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
I don't mind in the afternoon, but it will be only half an hour. That's the
Yes,
final.
ma'am.
Okay.
Madam.
Okay. Final then maybe 2:30 to 3 because 3 to 3:30 I want to take all the competitions. My competitions, all competitions start at 3 to 3:30, so I'll make 2 to 2:30. Is it okay with you all?
Yes, ma'am. That will be fine, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
thank you.
Fine, ma'am.
Thank you. Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.